How to use drawings in Cornell Notes. Are you curious about how to make your study notes more engaging and memorable? Let's talk about using drawings in the Cornell Notes system. This method is not just about writing. It can also include visuals to boost your learning. First, let's understand the Cornell Notes Template. It has three main sections: the note-taking column, the cue column, and the summary section. The note-taking column is where you jot down the main ideas from your lectures or readings. The cue column is 4 keywords or questions that relate to those main ideas. Finally, the summary section is at the bottom, where you summarize the key points in a few sentences. Now, how can you incorporate drawings into this structured format? One effective way is to create visual summaries. Instead of writing a traditional summary, consider drawing a simple diagram or mind map in the summary section. This visual representation can help you remember the key concepts more easily. In the cue column, you can use icons or symbols to highlight important keywords or questions. For example, you might draw a star next to crucial points or a question mark 4 topics you need to revisit. These small drawings can make your notes more visually appealing and easier to navigate. When you are in the note-taking column, if a concept is better explained through a diagram or illustration, go ahead and include it. This can clarify complex ideas and make them easier to review later. For instance, if you are learning about a scientific process, a labeled diagram can be much more effective than text alone. Let's talk about practical applications. When you review your notes, those drawings can serve as quick reminders of the concepts you covered. They can trigger your memory and help make your study sessions more efficient. Customization is key. Feel free to add more visual elements to your Cornell notes. You can use color coding to differentiate topics or include doodles that representing key concepts. This personal touch can make studying more enjoyable. By incorporating drawings into your Cornell notes, you create a more engaging and memorable study experience. This approach combines the structured organization of the Cornell method with the visual appeal of drawings, making it a powerful tool for learning and retention. So, grab your pens and start sketching your way to better notes.